Optica is at the PIC Summit Europe in Eindhoven, the Netherlands, the city of light. And why are we here? We are here because the entire photonic integrated circuit ecosystem is meeting to discuss about the sustainability of our industry. Because we need to reinforce the supply chain of our customers in integrated photonics. And for that, we need investment. We need money. And we need to understand where this money will come from public or private sources. The overall thing of this event is that public money needs also of private investment. And how do we match them both? Most important, how do companies have to schedule the investment rounds to make sure they succeed as fast as possible? I'm here with Jeroen de Jong from Siemens. What is Siemens doing at the PIC Summit?
Yes, that's what we're asking too. No, just kidding. No, we're very much interested in the photonics and the PIC industry. We think it's very strategic, it has a lot of future. And where Siemens wants to add value is when the scale-ups reach a certain point that you have to start with industrialization. It's not the single product anymore. It's really producing in volumes, getting more variants and all these kinds of things. So especially the industry has very many specialized machines, right? And what we are able to do is create digital twins of those very specialized machines. So that helps you develop these machines, simulate these machines, create variants of those machines, and that helps you manage your whole production line. So we're interested in scale-ups who reach a certain maturity where we can help them bridge that valley of going from a single prototype to volume production.
One of the bottlenecks of this industry, I would say the elephant in the room, is that it is difficult to access this packaging equipment. Mm-hmm. The lead times are long and there are only few companies who can produce them. Do you think digital twins are the solution for this bottleneck?
Oh, we can absolutely help you by simulating with the digital twins. And that will decrease your development time. And it will lower the development cost by not having to develop a physical prototype. Of course, a physical prototype is needed, but you can do a lot more design iterations by using digital twins before you actually invest in building a digital prototype.
For our corporate members, Ficontech, Accentech, Micronic, listen, there is here an opportunity for cooperation with Siemens. But wait, some of your customers are looking for industry automation are maybe small companies that cannot afford Siemens services. Is there an investment program from Siemens?
We have a scale-up program, so you can make use of our software against reduced price. Then we'll have a plan with you up front, and we'll monitor your progress as you mature. Siemens will grow with you. So yes, we have programs that can help startups and scale-ups really have a low threshold of starting to use our software.
It means the world to us to have Siemens at the PIC Summit. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Are you sure he's ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And here with Rick Jongen, the founder of Spectrik. Spectrik just closed their finance rounds. What's next?
Next is strengthen the technical team. So indeed we are always open for open applications and experts in optical system architect and integrated photonics, and with preference in gas sensing, but also closing our next investment round already next year so that we can accelerate the development of the integrated photonic chip.
You want to measure ammonia. Why?
Yes, indeed. At the moment we have the Netherlands stikstofcrisis, of the nitrogen crisis in English. And the government want to have a sensor which can measure ammonia at a stable level on farmers, and specifically livestock farmers. And it's very hard to measure both accurate and for a longer time ammonia in such an environment. And that's what we are enabling with integrated photonics.
One of the biggest topics these days was public and private investment. When do companies have to decide for one or the other or both? Where do you stand here?
At the moment we are in the early stage of private investors. So indeed we also see that helps the most in validating the business case in the early days, and also be quite critical to yourself in the early days of building the venture.
Rick, you already told me you will become corporate member of Optica, so welcome to the family. Here at the PIC Summit, we are seeing many different application fields. I'm here with a company in computational imager. Apu is the founder of Motion Imager from Rotterdam. Apu, what is Motion Imager?
We are developing a computational imaging tool that can construct 3D digital twin for measurement of the shape and surface metrology. Shapes keep on changing as we evolve in working of it. This manifestation that undergoes requires a lot of dimensions to be captured while it is in the dynamic state. This is the computational camera that you would be seeing right now, which enables in acquiring the dataset, calibrating, computing, and then publishing the images with annotated parameters of the metrology on top of the image.
Now let's look at the blue sky. Let's think about 5 years from now. How is Motion Imager gonna look like? What is your preferred future?
We would be the indispensable go-to tool for any company that is manufacturing a physical product where shape plays a pivotal role and the structure plays a pivotal role into the critical functionality of the systems like automobile, aerospace, apparel, textiles and others, where the overall geometrical shape and structure plays a critical role into the ultimate performance of the system.
And how does the PIC community help you? How can they help you reaching at that future?
We have got two sides. One is the asset side of ours, another is the demand side of ours. On the asset sides, we are very IP focused with IP controls, which we are building it captive for ourselves. We are a system of systems model company. That means we do certain things of our own, but we need to obviously take it from others. And no better place than Optics and Photonics community to be all together.
Apu, thank you very much for being part of the optics community. It is great to have you in the ecosystem.
It's my pleasure, Doctor. Thank you so much. Thank you.
The PIC Summit brought this year the who is who in the photonic integrated circuit ecosystem. New companies are here and old companies are here. But there's something missing. Who is the driver of this industry? Is it companies like NVIDIA or Intel? Or is it national governments? I don't know. Do you?